How to move Google Photos from one account to another. Let's do it. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but three ways that you can move photographs from one Google account to another. So as you can see here, I've got one Google account and I'm going to open up another Google account. You can see over here that there are no photographs over here. So let us get straight into it. On the first account that you want to move your photographs from, you're going to have to now select the photograph that you want to send, and you can just go onto the photograph and you can select it by clicking the little circle on the top left hand side. You're going to now go over to the share button on the top right of the screen and tap that. Now over here you can type in the name, the phone number, or the email address of the person that you want to send it to. So this is the person I would like to send it to, or the account rather that I'd like to send it to. And over here it's opened a new window, and this photograph now is in draft, and you can just say something over here. You can say, for example, this is method 1, and you can go now and you can tap on send. Now once this has been sent, I'm going to open up the account that it is being received by, and over here if we just refresh this page, you will see that there is a big red 1 near sharing. Now once you tap on that sharing tab, you will see here it says there's new activity. This person has now sent this image, and now you can go ahead and you can tap on that photograph, and your photograph is now here. And just underneath the photograph there is a save button. You can tap on that save button, and if you go back out on the left hand side, you can just go back out and you go to photos. You will now see that that photo is here in this account's photos. Now I'm going to show you the second method. You can go ahead again and you can select the photograph that you want to send or move, and you can go over again to the share link and tap that. Now instead of adding a name, a phone number, or an email, we are going to create a link for this photograph. So now you just tap on create link, and you're going to go ahead now and tap on copy. The next thing you want to do is open up a new tab. So you want to open up a new tab and a new window for the Google Photos account that you want to send this to. So we're going to go up over here and we're going to tap on these three dots and we're going to say new window, and this is a totally new window. Now all you need to do is go into the top bar and paste that URL right over there and hit enter. So what it's going to do is it's going to open up the link to that photograph, and here it is. Now you can see here again that this is the account that is being associated. This is where it's coming to. And this photograph you can see now is available on this account. You can now say join on the left hand side of the screen, and you are now joined to this account. And then you're going to go up to the top right hand side and you're going to tap on save photos, and this will now save this photograph to your Google Photos account. So again, we're going to just refresh this page and you can see that the photograph has been added. The third way to move photographs from your one Google Photos account to the next is actually by using a third party, and you're going to have to go now and jump into the Molt Cloud, and this is what it looks like. So when you're signing up, you're going to go ahead and click on your Google sign up option, and then you're going to choose your primary account, and this is the account that you're sending the photographs from. And we can just close this window, and this is your homepage. Now it says you can easily transfer and manage all your cloud files with one app. So first thing, you need to connect your cloud to multi-cloud. So this add cloud button, we're going to tap that, and we are going to tap on the Google Photos icon. As you can see here, they have many more options, but we are going to tap on the Google Photos over here, and we are now going to just add a display name. So we can just go Google Photos number 2, and then we can just say add Google Photos. Over here you can see it says choose an account, and again we are going to then choose the secondary account, or the account that we are sending our photographs to. Right over here, we're going to just tap on allow. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that there's Google Photos, and this was our primary account. You can now go into Photos, and you can now select the photo that you would like to share, send, or move. So for example, we are going to use this one over here, and then you're going to go ahead. At the top you have some options. You can either share, and you can either create a transfer, or you can share with multi-cloud, or you can go ahead and tap on copy to. You are then going to select the recipient, and you can now select the folder that it is going into, and you can now say OK. And this image now, at the bottom, it says that it is in progress. It will take a few seconds, but it will be available on this Google account right over here. Over here, the detailed progress, it says transfer successful. So we can just close that. And you can see now, if you go into Google Photos 2, which was our destination folder, there are now 3 photographs here that you can actually see. And it means that that third one was actually transferred. And there we go, folks. If you're looking to transfer your photos from one Google account to another, there are 3 ways that you can do it safely, quickly, and easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.